are you doing? I hope everything is fine. My name is Michy to this channel. So thanks for clicking on this video, and without wasting time, if you want to see how I get my ponytail up the way it is right now, stay tuned. Need some, you're gonna need that, you're gonna need some bobby pins. Are they called bobby pins? You're gonna need some hair pins, some gel, some got-to-be gel, edge control. I got mine from Cream of Nature. The ponytail comes from Yves Hair Extensions. I'm gonna leave the link in the description below. Comes in this silk bag, and it is virgin hair, so you can straighten it, you can curl it, you can dye it. As a, if you don't rock black, you can always change the color, always. So guys, let's get started. And it's I guess it's self-explanatory. I'll just speak when I need to speak, but for now I'm going to comb my hair and place it into a bun. So before I go in with the got-to-be glue, I'm just gonna try and get some, y'all know I'm not a baby hair person. And before any of you come and tell me, oh, you can dye the white hair, I will not. This is family. This is from the family. I started having them before I even reached 20. This is hereditary, so nobody in my family who has the white hair has ever colored their hair, and it doesn't bother me. I love it. If yours bothers you, feel free to color your hair. Mine doesn't bother me, so I won't color it. And I'm not trying to be rude in any way or form. I'm just saying, because sometimes we feel like we know best. I know if you comment that you're coming from a good place, I'll believe you're coming from a good place, but just to spare you that whole scenario, no, I will not be coloring it. I'm not a big fan of baby hairs. I think that's it. And oh no, what's this bump here? Oh, I'll have to open that and do it again. So normally if I'm going to go in with the got-to-be gel, for example, if I have plans of wearing this hair for the pony why are we starting from the beginning? I have plans to wear the ponytail the whole week, so that's why I'm going to use the got-to-be spray gel, and I want to make sure I've got it slick at the back. excuse the bra that keeps popping out. So this is how I'm happy with how the hair is. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna start from behind. I'm just gonna shake and spray and brush. You have to be very quick, because if the got to be gel dries, then you brush it. Not good. So later on during the week, I'm just gonna be spraying it with water to reactivate it, and then I just spray it with water and brush it, then it dries down and it stays sleek as it should be. You don't need a lot. So this is what I do. I've already tied it there. I'm gonna take my hair, it's not so long, and I'm just going to fold it, and then I'm gonna tie this band around it one more time. Reason is I want to give this part support so that it also stays high. Then I'm gonna take the ponytail and I'm just gonna push it right there. Okay. And then I'm going to wrap it around. I've also had this pony for a while. If you look at my vlogs, you'll see that when I went to Schaffhausen, I had it on. I've been wearing it throughout the summertime. I'm currently wearing it now. This is my go-to style when I'm freshly relaxed. So if you want you can also use got to be gel on this part of this hair to make it lie sleek, but I'm not going to do that because when I go to the gym, I remove it, and like I said, I really don't like having a lot of product on my hair, be it a wig, be it a weave, it doesn't matter. And just keep wrapping it around like that, like so. Okay. Okay, so it means we have a little bit of hair from the ponytail itself. We're gonna let it fall behind. We're gonna take some bobby pins. Ponytail. This is what we have. I love it. You look put together. It takes, of course, after practicing, it doesn't take long. It doesn't take long, I promise you. The hair is available on Yves Hair Extensions. It's virgin hair. You can use it for a very long time. I've had it for a whole year, and it's my go-to when I am freshly relaxed. And this way I don't disturb the hair. I'm not always touching the hair. I'm not using heat on the hair. So this is I love having a ponytail, and just look how everything just looks put together, and wow. So right, there we have it. I got a ponytail, and I love the fact that it's quite high. I've put it high. You can get it even more higher. You know, you can also get it like to stay up like this if you want. The longer your hair is, the more hair you have on top, the higher it stays. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, and share it. Leave your comment down below if this is your go-to style. If you have questions, feel free to ask. I'll be ready to answer your questions, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.